Okay, well, it seems like every time I freaking break my camera out, the seals seem to know that I'm about to try to film them, and they go under the water. I don't know if you saw that one just disappeared under the water. Crazy. Don't understand it. It's like they know I'm about to film them. I tell you what, frustrating. Well, there's the beautiful mountains, and there's Miss Amber. There's this stinking Coast Guard boat with their party lights on. Yeah, pretty awesome. There's the mill and the last of the sunset. There's the west side.